Hello students, today we are going to see subject English of standard 4th lesson number 11 in the world of dictionaries. Have you heard the word dictionary? Yes. In English medium school, we come across with the many different difficult words. So we have to take the help of the dictionary. Dictionary is one kind of book in which the meanings of the words are explained. We often come across words that we are unfamiliar to us. So we often come across with the words which we do not know. When we read books, newspapers or magazines. So when we are reading the books, newspapers and magazines, we are coming across with the difficult words or the new words which we do not know. We also hear new words and phrases when we watch TV programs. So when you are watching the TV programs or when you watch the TV, when you hear the news, we hear many different new words. How do you find the meanings of these words? So how do you find the meanings of these new words which you are coming across? In the classroom, the teacher is always available to the students to tell the meaning of new and difficult words. So when you are in the class, your teacher is always available for you to tell you the meaning of the new words or the difficult words which you come across. But she cannot accompany every student all the time to explain the meaning of every new word. But your teacher cannot be with all the students to tell the meanings of the new words which you are coming across. Besides, grown-up people also need help in this respect. So beside this, when you are asking your parents or the grown-up people, sometimes they also do not know the meaning of those words. A language has hundreds of thousands of words in it. A language, whatever language is, Marathi, Hindi or English, whatever language, it has got hundreds and thousands of words in it. It is impossible for one person to know all of them. So it is impossible to know one person or for you to keep in mind all the meanings of these words. But all these words can be explained in a dictionary. But all the words can be explained in a book called dictionary. At the same time, at some time or other, you must have been advised to look up a word in a dictionary. Some of the times you are advised by your teacher or by your parents, if you do not know the meaning of this word, take the help of the dictionary. So they ask you to take the help of the dictionary. Let us now see what the word dictionary means. So let us see what the word dictionary, what is the meaning of dictionary. Given below are some examples how the word might be explained in different dictionaries. So given below is given the explanation of the one word in different ways. Now dictionary word, it is explained in different types in different dictionary. There is not only one type of dictionary, there are different types of dictionaries. Now in one dictionary, noun dictionary, it is a noun, a book in which words are listed in alphabetical order from A to Z. So what is a dictionary? In which words are listed in alphabetical order from A to Z. You look up a word in a dictionary to find out what the means and how it's spelled. So you look up in the dictionary to find out what is the meaning of the dictionary and what is the meaning of it. In another dictionary's meaning is given in this way. So here this is a pronunciation and plural form is given dictionaries. Okay, so a book that gives a list of words in alphabetical order and explains their meanings in the same language. So the same meaning is there, but it is explained in different way in the same language or another language. A book that explains words used in subject. So different kinds of dictionaries will give the different meanings to you. Now here in Marathi dictionary, so here pronunciation is given, plural form is given, शब्दाचे अर्थ, उच्चार, वापर याबद्दल माहिती देणारे पुस्तक, शब्दकोश, means in Marathi you will find in this way. Thus we see that a dictionary shows us many things. Thus we are seeing that dictionary is showing us many things, like it is telling it is a noun, it is giving us the pronunciation, it is giving us its plural form. So the dictionary shows us the different things. Now words in dictionary are usually arranged in alphabetical order. So when you are using a dictionary, you must keep in mind the words which are there in dictionary, they are always arranged in alphabetical order. A dictionary tells us what a word means. A dictionary gives us the meaning of the word. A dictionary shows us how a word is spelled. A dictionary gives us the spelling of the word. A dictionary tells us how a word is pronounced. Pronunciation is given. A dictionary shows us the different forms of same word. For example, rose, roses, go, going, went, gone. So dictionary tells us the different forms of the same word. A dictionary tells us with the help of examples how a word is used. So with the help of the examples, dictionary also shows us how the word is used. A dictionary lists may other words or phrases related to the words. So dictionary also may use the phrases or the other words. A dictionary points out the different meanings of the words which have the same spelling. So dictionary also points out the different meanings of the words which have the same spelling. A dictionary also tells us the grammatical class to which a word belongs. You will learn about these classes of the words when you are little older. So these are the things the dictionary tells us. So this is our part 1 in the world of dictionaries. Thank you.